Now here see, now you are seen about the practice set number 24. In that one you are seen how to convert that rational numbers into a decimal form. Now here see, the next part will be the order of the operation. That will be the how to solve the expressions. Expressions means what? There here if I take one example, 72 divided by 6 plus 2 multiply by 2, they are given here. Here see, you are getting more than two operation, that is division is also there, addition is there, and a multiplication is there. If any one equation, this more than two operations are there, like a division is there, addition is there, and the multiplication is there, that time which one you want to do it first? For that one answer is there, that time you want to, which one you want to solve first, that for that one Bodmas rule is there, that is a B for first you want to solve the bracket, then O for, here you can do the multiplication, here first in the bracket you want to solve, and in that one C, in the bracket any one operation will be there, that you can solve it first. Then next one you want to do the division, next you want to do the multiplication, then afterwards you will see from left to right addition or subtraction you want to do it. And here some types of brackets are also there. See here, when you are solving some example, they have a round bracket. Some example, round bracket will come inside the square bracket, and the square bracket will come inside the curly bracket. Then here see, while solving the bracket, solve the innermost bracket first. Means from inner to outer you want to commit first. Then this way you can solve the using our Bodmas rule, you can solve the expression. See here I am showing one expressions, how to solve the practice set number 25. See here I am taken one example, that is 50 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 plus 24 is there. See here, division, multiplication is there, division is there, and again addition is there. Then according to our Bodmas rule, what they will say, first you want to do the division. But here you will see 5 will be not divisible by 2. But don't write here 2.5. No, don't write it, because here you want completely divisible. Then this condition, what you can do, you first do the multiplication. See here I am underlining this, which operation I am doing first. Then see here I am doing the division, that is 50 multiplied by 5 we will get 250. Then afterwards see I am doing the division. See here, this rule is a Bodmas rule. First the Bodmas rule tell do the division, but here 5 is not divisible by 2, completely divisible you want. Therefore that condition you can do first multiplication, then you can do the division. Then see here, 250 divided by 2 I am getting 125 plus 24 I am getting 149 as an answer. Okay, then here if you take one more question, see here third question is there, 140 divided by, in that one square bracket is there, again the round brackets are also there. Then what you can say, first you want to solve the innermost bracket. Innermost bracket first you want to solve, and in that one any operation will be there that you can do. And here also multiplication is there, again subtraction is also there, division is also there. Then according to our Bodmas rule, you want to solve first division if it is possible. And see here I am solving first here 11 multiplied by 3 minus 11 into minus 3 I am solving this, that I am getting here minus multiplication I am getting positive number. Again here 42, here see outside the bracket minus sign, inner sign will be changed, that will become a plus 42. Then 42 divided by 14 I am getting 3. Then see innermost bracket I am solving, 33 plus 3 will get 36, minus 1 I am getting 35. Then now here see this bracket is over, now will come outside, 140 divided by 35 I am getting here 4. Then again here they are given one fraction, in that one also see their addition and the division is there. Then first you want to do the division, and you know it, when you are doing the division that time what to do, first here first term will become as it is, but second term, before taking a second term you put the multiplication sign and take a multiplicative inverse. And when you solve this one, we'll get this 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, and afterward I am getting here two fractions that you can solve by doing the cross multiplication. Then like that way you can simplify the expressions. Okay, then this is about our complete lesson of fifth one, operation of rational number.